This is a review video of the Amazon Basics aluminum USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. I purchased this item because I needed a reliable way to connect my USB-C devices to a wired internet connection, especially in situations where Wi-Fi isn't stable. I like to use this for connecting my laptop or even my game consoles to a Gigabit Ethernet network, ensuring fast and uninterrupted internet speeds. It's been a game changer for streaming, online gaming, and large file transfers. Some of the features I appreciate included support for up to 1,000 megabits per second bandwidth, the reversible USB-C input for easy plugging, and its slim, lightweight aluminum design, making it super portable. Plus, it works right out of the box. No power adapter or complicated setup required. So my final thoughts, the Amazon Basics USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a simple, affordable, and effective solution for anyone needing a table-wired connection on the go. It's definitely a must-have tech accessory.